All right, the Fed releasing its Beige Book. Yes, sirree. Let's get right to Steve Leisman. Steve.
Tyler, thanks very much. A very mixed Beige Book where they said economic activity expanded modestly. That's actually an upgrade from the prior Beige Book. This collection of articles from the 12 Federal Reserve Districts had previously said economic activity was unchanged. Now it's saying that it grew modestly. 4 districts said activity was flat. 2 said there were cited declines due to high interest rates, supply and disruptions. Retail spending was relatively flat across many districts. Auto dealers among those saying that sales were sluggish. Part of it was limited inventories along with higher prices. One bright spot standing out with unequivocal language, travel and tourist activity rose strongly. And you know that's true with the planes being full all over the place. Now, this is interesting as well. Manufacturing held steady due to easing supply chain restrictions. And we haven't heard that in a while, so that's pretty good news. However, back to the bad side of things. I told you this was back and forth. Rising mortgage rates and elevated home prices did weaken housing starts quite substantially. Employment rising at a moderate pace, but there was some cooling reported in labor demand across some of the districts. There were scattered mentions as well of hiring freezes, but labor market conditions overall were said to be tight. Some businesses said wages were rising due to inflation as well as labor tightness. Wage growth overall was expected to continue. On the prices front, they remain elevated, some easing noted across several districts. Significant input price increases were reported in a variety of industries. And then again, this kind of contradiction. Solid pricing power reported, but also some consumer pushback. Overall, expectations for price increases were that they would generally moderate over time. So I don't know, guys, maybe a touch of progress here in the fight against inflation with some comments about supply disruptions easing, but you don't want to take it too far because the other side of that story is still also mentioned quite a bit in this report.
Your reporting is a little bit like watching a tennis match back and forth here, Steve. I'm just curious when you're talking about supply chains because you early in your report you mentioned that a couple of the districts reported some problems because of supply chain and then supply chain easing. You know, what's your expectation moving forward that will stop being a factor in what we hear reported?
Yeah, so I guess this I'll respond with my forehand, Contessa, as opposed to my backhand. I think there is some progress out there. I mean, before this Beige Book, we had heard that there was some progress being made. And if you have manufacturers saying, hey, we can manufacture things because we have the stuff we need to manufacture it, I think that's an important part of the story. Look, this is not going to clear all at once. So, and by the way, the U.S. economy being a very dynamic one, not everything is going to get better all at once to the extent that it does get better. So I'm not surprised to see a mixed Beige Book. And I would, by the way, expect a mixed Beige Book on the cusp of things improving. Whether or not this is the one that says, hey, all of these things are getting better at once, well, definitely not yet. But you would expect to see some incremental progress. Just the way, Contessa, you may not remember, but we went into this mess. This is the kind of Beige Book we had as well, with the idea of there were scattered supply disruptions that were mentioned by people. That was before supply disruptions became so huge. So maybe this is a part of a turning point here. I don't want to take it too far, but I do want to make note of the progress that's been in here, especially after a series of Beige Books and all kinds of corporate reports that everything was sort of awful all over.
All right, Steve, thank you for that report. We appreciate you jumping on with it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.